Hi, this is John from Chicago. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you, today is Christmas, and I'm bringing you a Santa Claus drone. This is the JJRC H67 Flying Santa Claus with 716 brushed motors. Okay, we'll plug this in. The music will get to you after a few flights. So I will show you how to remove that. Okay. It has a lot of pep. Big size motors here, so it should carry a camera really good. Let's move it out. Just doing some line of sight flying here, showing you how it flies, which it flies great. Okay, we'll bring her in and start doing some surgery on this to add a camera. This is my fleet of whoops here, and I'm hoping to bring you a video. I have 2 more coming in. Once I get those in, I will do a comparison between these. So let's shut the music off. Yeah, just so you know, speaker is at round, looks like a coin underneath the battery bay. We will take that off. We'll take the Santa off. It'll go into the Lego pile for the kids, grandkids. And then this is a Lego top here. We'll remove this. And I have from one of my King Kong Tiny 6s a canopy. We'll put that on, put the camera in the canopy, and solder the 2 wires back there to the power, and we will have a whoop. And it comes apart. Okay, as I said, you got the coin underneath there, speaker system. I think we want to take that off. It's extra weight and the sound will drive you crazy. Deal for taking this apart. Just put that on with some sticky tape. Pull that off. Okay, there's your speaker system. You could use that on a Christmas card or something if you wish. The speaker. There we go. Positive, red is off, and the white's off. The next step is to hook the camera into the power supply of the quad. There's 2 little solder pads in the back here. The one on the left is positive. One on the right is your ground or negative. They're both connected. Some in there. Okay. Rotate that, make sure it's straight, and get about the right angle. Okay, looks like that's hardened. Let me take the take that off of there. Okay, this is the front. Tuck the wires in. Here I start to fly what they call FPV, first person view. This is the exciting part of flying. It's just like you're a bird. You're in the cockpit actually flying the quad around. And it's amazing for this quad that I just put together. I paid $11 for the quad, plus I bought it on a flash sale. I guess $15 is the list price. And then you need to add a camera that will be $10 to $18. So for around $30 you have a quad that'll fly FPV. You're using the radio that comes with it. That's not great, but it's usable. As you can see, I'm able to fly with the radio. It's a little jittery on the turns. It doesn't quite have the resolution of a $40 to $100 radio that's hobby grade. But it does work pretty good, and it's a way to get you flying. The other thing that you need to do is add some goggles. The goggles I'm using here are a $59 set. It's called the Ishin VR D3 goggles, and they work good. They have a DVR recorder on, which you're seeing the results of right here. So for $90 you have a beginner starter kit. If you want to move up, the next step would be to spend about $120, $32 on the quad. That would be an Ishin M80 and then a Evolution hobby grade radio for $40, and then the goggles for $59, so you're looking at about $120. We have attached links to these down below in the description. You'd also want to make some gates out of pool noodles, which I have here. I made 2 foot by 2 foot gates. That seems to be about the right size for in-house flying. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and thanks for watching. This is John from Chicago.